Hey guys, let's take a look on how to free space on WhatsApp. So it's pretty easy. Here I have my WhatsApp. I want to clear some space. So I just click on WhatsApp and I go to settings, okay? Click here on settings and you're gonna go to this screen. Then you just come down and you look for storage and data. Click on it and then you see manage storage. There we go. And here you see that it calculates how much space WhatsApp is using right now. And then it separates by larger than 5 megabytes. So you can take a look at this. Those are files like attachment and videos and audios, photos, whatever you have here. And also forward many times. So you can select this one, for example, larger than 5 megabytes. And here you can just select, click here on select, and you start typing and selecting the video that you want to delete, right? Or you can select all of them at the same time. If you click here, select all of them, it's going to select all files at the same time, and then just hit here to delete them and delete items. And there you go. Now you're gonna have free space on your WhatsApp, right? So you keep doing that and you're gonna clear all the space on your WhatsApp. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.